Have you ever burned the tips of your plant's leaves? Did you know urban water may kill your plants? So watch this video to end to know what should we do. Hi, welcome to Golbarg.greenhouse channel. Today we want to talk about what water we to use for plants. What water quality is suitable. Firstly, like and subscribe us to give me energy to continue. We have to classify plants in terms of sensitivity to water quality. If we use urban water, which has a lot of chlorine in plants that are very sensitive to quality water, like peace lily, Dreissenia compacta, lemon lime Dreissenia, the tips of the leaves get burned. So what should we do to solving this problem? Boil water and let it to cool for a few hours at room temperature. It's better not to close the container. Second group are houseplants that are less sensitive to urban water, like Zinfolia, Sansevieria and the others. For watering these plants, you have to don't open the door of your bottle. Place a bottle in the environment to release chlorine from the water. Some people live in where the water has a lot of salt and chlorine. If you are in this situation, what should we do? We should boil water and let it to cool. Place the environment to release chlorine, then use this water. In addition, people who live in this area have to use humic acid for plants, because salt and chlorine cause the soil to become alkaline, while most houseplants like acidic soil and growth in there. Humic acid makes the soil to become acidic and don't stop the growth of your plants. The last tip about water is don't use purified water for your plants, because purified water does not contain useful salts and cannot help to grow your plants. Thanks for being with me to end. If you have any question about this video and indoor plants, tell us in comments. Bye.